we're still outside. What I say, you Cape Coast. Currently, a Central Music Awards also, and I have one of the biggest radio personalities over a Central Region of Bon Homo de Yepa. Or repeat a Kaswa. Mr. Shanti, my mother by Emra Rice the Films.
Yo, Minia, Mensoma, Papa, say was Wabi P. Mazi.
Mr. Shanti, last year, you did a 10th anniversary. Since CMA by Central Music Awards and we had a great show. I feel we is the 11th edition. Sana also Jumadi na Imre.
I think the Central Music Awards being the first regional awards in Ghana, no? And each and every time, no, so to say the Piano, the person say penny for. So I think that this 11th edition also a pass set up, and I say from the time our nomination by voting, so they did heritage promotion and Central Music Awards a year was social media. I think it's a big thing this year. Koswa, I was a Central Region EBA to me supporting na you to me enkoye name.
I feel we will say a couple of musicians from your district filing for this year. Me will say Lusu to Abrante Feno. I think who won this video of the year? Gh+Amankrado, yeah. How was the feeling like?
Oh, what was it? The thing is all about voting. Now I think say little I any vote, but maybe Gh+Amankrado I any baby. Now once academy is home, so. Ninja say next time, when you are nominated, you have to do more voting, and also, you know the personalities are more Central Region because the academy will also talk for you. I don't say 30%.
Do you still believe you are picking an award tonight?
Oh, say your fans are voting, so we are just hoping for the best. Yeah.
Comparing a year Central Music Awards, musicians are your region, now other regions. Do you believe Oba your region man to form more Central Region more than?
I think they are doing well, but won't say paving way. Na Ghana Betty and Ghana. I know we have a couple of artists they are there already, but we need to do more. I was saying for energy ne being shame. Said I see Kumasi for the whole world in Subeti Central Region, and so we need to put more effort and also energy, and we'll get there.
Yeah, Ghana for in our area, we are seeing in our area. And then our last way to a year into the funds or more cash one.
I think all we need is unity, and we should never give up in life, whatever we are doing. And you to 1 year is a investment, what I say. And maybe I can say, and you to only media Juma acquires us of a friend say you can be in it. So you need to understand what you are doing, understand the music things, a friend. One day to me so never give up. Now as an artist, before we to me any name to the big presenters, the DJs, you need to be submissive. I was out to me bro once now. Ubi abe calling chain be an to me say or honor and give you up. I think that we can do it. Yeah.
Mr. Shanti, me that's say ultimately pass it through and make me drink more. All right.
Central Music Awards 2022.
So we're still outside Cape Coast currently Central Music Awards also, and today guess who I'm talking to? Met, let me welcome you onto the show.
Thank you so much.
Met, is this your first time being here?
Well, yeah, unfortunately this is my first
time. Yes,
but I loved it. I had a lot of fun. So
we saw a couple of artists performing on the stage tonight. How was it feeling like seeing a colleague artist this performing rocking stage?
Well, I was actually very proud to see that happen. You know, Central Region, we have a lot of good talent here. We have Emoji, Luigi, even some of them are multi-talented. You know, Luigi, for instance, is a producer and an artist. Myself, you know, so Central Region is actually packed with a lot of talent. And to see that we're actually coming out of our shell and celebrating our music and not waiting for our crowd per se is actually very commendable. Yeah.
Do you believe Central Region, like talking about the music fraternity, do you see the growth?
Oh, I do see the growth. I mean, last year I did hear of it, but this year I heard of it even bigger. So the promo was better. I think now the support is even better because every artist that comes on stage gets some sort of support from the crowd. So yeah, I think we are growing. There's more room for improvement, but we are doing good.
Fast forward, this year you release 2 songs. Although is out, and then Assignment is out. How are the songs doing?
Actually, the support has been amazing. I mean, beyond my expectation. The numbers are high with the streaming, and you know, we are still looking forward to releasing more songs. So everybody should just watch out for Met. And a big thanks to my team, Gh+Amankrado Entertainment, and people like you who keep putting us on the spot and selling what we do. Thank you so much.
How is the street credibility like when it comes to Cape Coast? I believe you spend most of your time in Cape Coast and in Accra. Like, let's relate to Cape Coast. How is the street credibility like for you?
Well, I think Cape Coast, they are more receptive to music that has more fancy in it. But despite that, when they realize you're one of their own, they still embrace you. So still, I'm excited about the support for Cape Coast, and I want them to know that there's more music coming and more involvement of the fancy language for myself and my people. So the street credibility has been good. For instance, I had my radio tour a couple of weeks back, and before that I hadn't met a lot of the radio stations, the bosses over there, but the first time they met me, the reception, the support, some of them were playing my music back to back even way after the tour. So it's been amazing, and it's really nice to know that we are loving each other, showing each other support, and we are selling what we have in Central Region to the world.
The year is getting to an end. Any surprises for your fans?
Yeah, I will be dropping a song, so they should watch out if they're following on social media, Gh+Amankrado Entertainment and Mahalia. So watch out. I'm about to drop a jam rock song, yeah, which is super lit.
What is the title?
You made me sing parts of it on the radio, so, but you know, I think they should just watch out because I've been dropping bits of it. If I don't take it, I'll be in trouble. Yeah, they should just watch out, but they will love it. Yeah.
Ghanaians are watching, the world is watching. What's your last words for the industry players in Central Region, the musicians as a whole, and all the stakeholders who come to play and talk about show business in Central Region?
I would say, let love lead. Let's let love lead, you know, because in the end, it's all about love. You love your craft, I love my craft. It's the same music we're sharing. So let's support each other and make sure that in the end, we are walking hand in hand, and it's going to be a beautiful outcome for the whole of Ghana. So beyond Cape Coast, beyond Accra, it's a Ghanaian, African, worldwide thing. Yeah.
Met, thanks for having you.
Thank you so much for having me.
Central Music Awards 2022.
We're still outside Cape Coast currently, Central Music Awards, and I'm proud to have one of the finest MC Alba Central Region modern award winner. What I say, awards be talking about SIBA, best MC of the year, and currently he's the official MC for Respect Pub MC. MC Ajuma Ewo Central Region currently, comparing to previous now. How did you see? Is there any change?
Yeah, there have been changes or according to guys we bring now around the na no e wo biara ama no mreda wo gba edwuma ma edwuma no record Central Entertainment ni mo because the last award Seba award na MC sana wo gu oya category ni na they are all powerful obinu wo campus UCC CCTU obinu so wo Cape there almost shows biara record oya Central bia no dem MC ni na we de na ogudo a oma edwuma no so record kama
Yekye afi Central Music Awards so this is the 11th edition. Last year you witnessed a big anniversary which was the 10th edition. Comparing the growth if we say Central Music Awards, the recognition peno yenya.
In fact, mention and follow Central Music Awards, like I followed this year. In fact, how the promotion was going, I was so impressed. You know, Charlie, heritage promotion. Promoters, because I follow all of them on Instagram, Facebook, and all the social media handles. Them promoters, what but me there doing one ma Central Music Awards, one ma do kosro papa, because one thing is now other task that this the first regional awards are happening in Ghana, and now obianyim there eba Ghana they are the best regional awards.
No competitor.
No way. And I share Central for was a shema because every year no Cape Coast, but she sweet drew for what pack one waba short pump for Winneba. This year has been massive. This is my first time I'm a witness. In fact, almost all the township members are around that my Jumezin so Oracle the Kama. In fact, many and as your performances are Oracle Charlie massive, Mr. Fantastic, you saw it, and SBG Gang, Kojo Viper, the show killer, the monster. In fact, Baba Menyaji and you be into music in Oracle, Central Music, they are concerned.
Moving forward, do you feel like Central Music war and now Central Region war that talent now you to me a project we are seeing united me as currently the Black Sharif, the Last Maze, and all the names you can mention.
Central Region and Met+Mc, the Central Region, your talents, most of the regions are Ghana had. Semi Yebia Kumasi Fifma because they are one of the biggest cities in Ghana and they are rising. But I'm telling you for a fact today, when you come to Central Region, we have good we have artista. Charlie, say Angasa say Pesemen Kumia, say say promoters, any radio stations, any paying for or Central Region. I say when you know what may I can boma. Them artists here make Kawana some Central Region. Obotu we play limelighter. Obi abon the Central. You were the best of artists wade. Show Kojo Viper. Since you call Accra, Kojo Sheldon. Ni show no do. Almost all the time they are offering on Injina do. Shasami Flex. It's in a catcher there. We have the talent, but the support is down. Or the artist you more support because it was Central day. As you come when they say Central artist up the stage. Man fans. No, why? But we baby abba, ne man fans. Why should that happen? No matter what, we have to accept our own. We have to embrace our own. We have to support our own. Mama and share a craft and craft. Young say support your own, say you promote your own, say you post your own. Then our own will be the best. Will be the first. That is what I'm telling you.
Then now we say heritage promotions. You wait me I'm projected the best out of the region.
Heritage promotion, Mawaya Nana Warrior. Me Shada Muhu shima biara wato so far unless they be show no in I then yapon and sane bia ye wo bibi kan ya then yaka but what the same no mobo about in fact menyu ajepa mokodo wa kra no ibia na ye we there's no much difference because she stage craft she set up she VIP she VVIP she popular stand there come on there's bibia there na kwem but all the same na then the etwumuta in 100%. It's definitely after the show no ye gbon mo koye mo wankoye ne na ya tutu ne asese ne e dey bia next year no ye tun ye improve because as bia no say this year in 80% or then next year it me 90% and above. As I said, so heritage wa agbeduma jungo ne manike chale boche ibia agbeduma ejuma ndo wayade by now I feel so hotel na say ya aba no hotel na ehwe venue na we choose no perfect, very perfect, and I like the venue a lot.
Yeah, our last words to Central music players like Central regional industry players. I to be now the Kwama industry players and to four as a whole.
Yeah, me paramakacho musicians who Central and there. They should never give up. We are at a war and we have to face it. Nobody should run away from his or her problems. Obiara run away from his or her problems. He can never achieve anything in this life. Ebeye over bring go down, but the downfall of a man is not the end of his life, you know. And now the promoters and the DJs and the presenters, Charlie, let's support our own and all the members of Central region. I know was Central. When me support you, say Central ni be stage. No matter the song or that be stage. Charlie, you support, you bonju wando. Mama ye there in Cranfongutin na waba. You bonju wando. Ne DJs one Central nyom. Ebe DJs bu opera why ya wajiska because artists be when you support. Atasa, exactly what do you ma ban ye na ye pere Central ye then. Ye peja. The more Central ye peja, the more non presenters who swear then. Wo peja. It's the presenters na then one bo artist no. Ne bibia son kodo man. Yeah.
The number one candy man, what I say about Central region, many MC Candy and I train come more. On today, the very train come on the flip, but I say opposite to my train.
But I say P.
Central Music Awards 2022.
Still outside Cape Coast currently Central Music Awards and today I'm proud to have one of the finest musicians now about Central Region Obon Homo in Yepa. Amankado Amako by Rise to Films.
Yes, medawasi.
Now you may send a feeling in city concerning Central Music Awards.
Feeling very deep. A higher she seen baby the whole Ghana Ayeshipa Central DJ. Oh, Central Music Awards, yeah, Central.
And aiming to see a pan come and go on.
Yeah, sure.
Fast forward, I feel we want to play a couple of singles and aiming alongside a couple of singles. Send a secret.
Feeling here very deep. She said, we be a project be a drop be no feedback never no very positive. And a baby a project in a drew no. Sometimes yeah the vim shame bet ana baby a vim no ko drew na at rasa. So very positive. Feeling here very positive. Yeah the mad one. Within this year yeah December Ghana featured Jamaica internationally.
So far I feel we and you say now they are about one thing.
CMA22-BLACK Nadia more than 10. Yes, more than 10.
Will video be attached to the single so dropping?
Okay, yeah, me will videos on YouTube. Yes.
Ghana for we are seeing YouTube channel send a more betimi I could follow no more to me I could hear videos.
Yes, Gh+Amankrado Gh+Amankrado Amankrado Gh. Yes.
Are you married then? Yes, but winning award be ana.
Sure. One thing is award I nominated me woman Hip Life Song of the Year with Amen no yeah Kofi inshallah.
Right. Comparing a year last year, now the 10th anniversary, the 10th edition, and then this year, which is the 11th edition, do you believe Central Region and our Central Music Awards, I leave it to that expectation now.
Sure. Sometimes, you know, we are the one for GD and Shemua and ye. You know, ye no Niger Muna ye pese Central in that music industry, Nanga se big group, a call far than sending expert. So, ye guswa ye grew, nebe do hustle.
Then I fancy expecting free from this time, I say a year, I feel no ever query, then I fancy expecting free.
Joe, what it is Amankrado GH, more expected fire. This December, Amankrado featured Etc.L party coming live December. We are going international this time, so watch out for fireworks. Yeah, sure.
But I say, opposite to me, education come.
Met+Mc boss.
Central Music Awards 2022.